So, guys, just watch this one. Uh, in the upcoming classes, we are going to learn this one. Okay, so let me set with the camera panel camera. So, this one we are going to learn how to make this. Okay, but today, as I told you, today we are going to learn how to create the walk cycle of your video, of your character, right? So today we are going to work on the character's hand movement and character's synchronization of the leg. So this is the thing which we are going to discuss. It's fine. Okay, now moving forward, let me make it, let me delete everything. I think everyone is having this character, right? Okay, now I will fix my textures later on, not for today. So this is the ideal condition of my character, like how the character will stand. Okay, but if you are having T pose, you can go with the T pose. Okay, now from here I already hide all my controllers, so from here I can activate my controllers. Okay, now I already created one arc for the camera animation, which I'm going to delete it for now. Last class I showed you how to do the movement of this thing, right? So today we are going to work on, see, I already have lots of animation keyframes, so I am going to delete all the animation keyframe first, and I'm going to make it as an ideal condition. Okay, there is no nothing. So I'm going to create this one first of all in the T position. Now my character is in the T position. From here I'm going to fix it little bit more, joints and everything. Now fixing it from here as well, like this. Okay, now I will adjust somehow from here. See, right now I am not working on the animation keyframes like graph editor. I am not touching it right now, but very soon we are going to work on the graph editor as well. Okay, so that you will get the smooth animation. Like here I can control it like this. Okay, now my character is in the T pose. So first of all, we are going to create our character movement. So from here I am going to make it 24, and from here I am going to make it 24 fps, 24 frames, right? Now I am going to select all of my keyframes and I will press S on my keyboard, right? Now in the end as well, because it will give you very easy animation. Now what I'm going to do, I will first select this one, this leg. You will notice I have on the end of this frame. So what I will do, I will just go from the first frame. I will select this one. I will create one pose like this, and I will create this pose like this. So watch this one little carefully, otherwise you will not understand. So I will make it little bit more down till here like this. Okay, now first is this one moving till, oh, need to make it like this. Press S on your keyboard, right, and make it here S. Okay, now so we are having something like this. In between we need to create our movement, so I will try to make it somewhere here. S and make it forward S. So you are having something like this movement. Okay, so you need to just control on the animation keyframes, like it is going like this. So just try to control on your animation keyframes, like it is going here. Delete this one. Okay, so this movement we need to delete, and this one also delete this one. So I will select this one and this one together. See, we need to control on the animation keyframe first. Delete it. Now press S from the starting and the last one start. Now select this one, press S and the last one S. Okay. Now I will select this one. There is no movement. Go to the 5 or 6, make it here. S and again select this one. So you are having something like this movement, which you can improve it, right? So let's say from here it is coming like this, and then delete this. Okay, now once we are having this movement, what we need to do, we already saw that movement, right? Today we are working on this hand. So what I'm going to do, first of all, I will make my hand little bit down here, and I will make it like this, and again I will select this one. I will make it like this here. Now press E and make it like this. You can make it little bit forward and from here little bit backward, like this. Okay, now the concept is, once the character is moving forward, oh, I forget to add the keyframes. Don't forget to add the keyframes. Okay, so first of all, make it like this here, and make it like this. Press S and again press W. Keep it here. Press E. Make it like this. Make it back and press S. So select this one plus this one. Go to the last frame, because see, we are having this. This is the problem, right? So we need to fix this one. We need to add end and the last keyframes together. So from here, like this, press W, make it like this, press S, copy this keyframe and just go here and paste it. Now again this one, press E, rotate it like this, press W, make it down, press S, copy this keyframe and just go here and paste it. So you are having something like this. Okay, now what we need to do, on the first frame, whenever the character hand is behind, So this one, this hand should go further like this. Movement should be like this. Press S. Now this hand will go little bit back. Press S. Okay. Now you are having something like this. So this is the basic animation which you can create it. See, that is the movement of your hand and your leg. Now you can improve it little bit, as I told you, like the movement is going like this. Now you can control your leg as I told you in the previous class. From here you can turn it. Even if you want to change the hand of your character, you can easily do that. Okay, now from here to here is going like this. Again, once the hand is coming like this, now that's it. Now if you want to refine little bit, just refine it. From here, first frame, I want to make it little bit up. So on fifth frame, I will make it from the channel box. Okay, so you can fix it like this. So this is the basic movement which we can provide with the character. Even if you will see, we are having the face here. So what I can do, on the first frame I don't want to add anything, but moving forward to the 8th frame or the 10th frame, I want to move this face somewhere like this. Press S. Now again back to the normal. And from here you can make this one little bit down, somewhere like this. So you are having something like this. This one looks good here. Now on 10th frame I will make it little bit down. Press S. Now you are having something like this. And from here you can relax the shoulder because it's look very stiff. So what I will do, I will select this one, and with the help of this one I will just make my shoulder little bit like this. So it will look like very forward. I will select this head and I will make it like this. Now you will end up with this one. Now if I will hide this controllers and this one nerves curve, so you are having something like this. You can clearly see the hand movement, how the hand movement is going on, right? So in the previous class we already saw how to create your legs. So today we already finished with the hand movement. So try to get this gesture, and if in the meantime if you are having any type of problem, you can call me, I will help you out. Okay.